Hello and welcome to SearchBlox. Today I'll show you how to use the email collection to search Microsoft PST email archives and download them as a zip file. Let's start by going to this developer documentation link. Email collection can index emails from PST archive files, including attachments. Let me show you how to create an email collection. Firstly, we open the pst.yml file found in this path. Here in the location, we give the destination path for files after successful extraction. In the unprocessed files, we give the path for those PST which were not processed during indexing. Now let us create a new email collection. After clicking on Add Collection, enter a unique collection name, give the collection access type, and choose the collection type as email collection. Once you have successfully created your email collection, you can configure the directory paths and filters by clicking on the collection name or on the Configure Collection button. The directory path is the starting path for the crawler. This is the default value for the allowed paths. The disallowed paths determine which paths to not crawl and stay away from during the crawling process. We also have the allowed formats as shown here. You can select the formats as required and uncheck those which are not. In the Settings tab, we have several pre-configured parameters which you can modify as per your requirement. Let's take a look at each of them. The keyword and context display, when turned on, highlights the search query if it occurs in the description. Maximum document age specifies the maximum allowable age of a document in the collection, and by default, it is set to -1. Email settings allow you to choose specific folders to index. By default, it is set to All Mail. Click on Partially to choose specific folders you want to index and search. Enable logging, when turned on, provides the indexer activity in detail in the index.log file. It gives detailed information on the list of files that are crawled, processing done on each file along with the necessary timestamps, and whether the file gets indexed or not. All data will be available as separate entries in index.log. It also records the timestamp of when the indexing gets completed and the time taken for indexing across the indexed file entry in the log file. The last modified date of a file, and also if a file is skipped or not, and the reasons why, are recorded in the index.log file. Now let us take a look at the extraction of emails. After indexing our sample collection, if we go to the location given in the pst.yml file, we have folders with the same names as the PST files. Now let's go to this link to take a look at the email plugin view. We have different options such as mail from, mail to, subject, and so on to refine your search results. We also have a new feature to download the search results as a zip file. You can click on the Download as Zip button and the entire search results that you see are downloaded into one zip file. That's all about email collection. Thank you for watching.